Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's digital age, we're constantly sharing documents whether for work, legal matters, or personal records. But many of those documents contain sensitive information. One common mistake users make is highlighting text using the highlighter or shape tool. The problem, the text remains under the highlight, and anyone can easily copy and paste it to see what you were trying to hide. So in this video, I'll show you a quick, easy, and most importantly, secure way to hide information in PDF files on Windows for free. For example, I have a PDF file of a Windows System Health Report for a computer, and I want to send this report, but I want to hide the product key and the MAC address. Let's quickly learn how to hide sensitive information using a free tool called PDFgear. To get the program, open your browser and type pdfgear.com into the address bar. One of the best features of this program, besides being free, is that it doesn't require creating an account or subscribing to a trial version. Just click the free download button here, and the program will start downloading immediately. It's a small file, so it will only take a few seconds. Now, click on the downloaded file. You'll likely find it in your Downloads folder. Then double-click the exe file you just downloaded. If a Windows user account control window appears asking if you want to allow the application to make changes, click Yes. The application installation process is very simple. Just agree to the terms, choose where to save the file, and then click Install. It's a clean installer, so you don't have to worry about adding any unnecessary programs or hidden toolbars to your device. Once finished, leave the PDFgear checkbox selected, and then click Finish. After opening the application, the PDFgear control panel will appear. This application is fantastic and has many features, but today I'll only explain how to redact a PDF. Now, click the Open File button. And in the Windows File Explorer window, select the PDF file you want to work with. And then click Open. The PDF file will open immediately. I now want to hide the product key and the MAC address. So click the Protect tab in the top menu bar. Then select the Redact tool. A warning message will appear explaining that this action is permanent. This message is to remind you that once you apply these changes, the data will be permanently hidden. Click OK. Now, before we start hiding the text, you're not stuck with just black boxes. If you look at the tool settings, you can actually change the fill color. While black is the standard, for legal documents, you can use white to make the redaction appear invisible, or even other colors if you're color coding a document for a team. It gives you a lot of flexibility depending on what you're working on. Now, click and drag your mouse cursor over the text you want to hide. You can change the color as I mentioned. After selecting everything, we need to save it, which is the most important step. Click the File button. Now we have two save options: Save Only, which will save the changes to the same file, or Save As, which will create a new PDF document with the changes we made, leaving the original PDF file unchanged, so be careful with this step. Either save the file over the original file or create a new file. The saving will happen instantly. You've now securely redacted your document. Unlike simple drawing tools, PDFgear removes that data from the file's code. No one can copy, paste, or undo those lines to see your private information. You're now ready to share your file securely. The application also has great features that I'll explain in another video. If you liked the video, click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon to receive all new content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.